Welcome to Intersec 2022. Today I'm talking to you from IrisID. My name is Rami AlAzzeh. IrisID, we are participating in Intersec for every year. This year we have our own booth in Saeed Hall, and you're welcome to visit us. IrisID is a company where we do identification for people by their eyes. We do have three lines of business: identification, time and attendance, and business and access control. And every line of business we do support it with own hardware and software. In Intersec we are introducing three new devices. One of them is the D2000. This is a big device designed to read on a distance of 1 meter, suitable for immigration counters, for airports. And we do have an OEM device also reading distance is 1 meter for kiosk. That is an OEM device. And finally we have the IT100, which is a device can read iris and face combined together to give you the high accuracy and the quick response of the device. Thank you, and looking forward to see you here in Intersec.